Assalamu alaikum. The project we are here to represent is disease detection in crops to increase yield. My name is Ashif Roz. My group members are Talha, Shoaib, and Hassan. Introduction. Agriculture plays an important role in our daily life. Agriculture generates our country economy, but there are variant problems preventing the farmers from gaining maximum profit from their crops due to plant disease. If this problem cannot be resolved, not only farmers will lose their income but our country will also suffer. So, in this project, a disease detection system using machine learning will be developed. Using this system, farmers not only can monitor their crops but they can also take early precautions to prevent the disease from spreading. As the system not only implemented with a camera but also with functionalities like notify the farmers when infected plants were found and suggest a correct solution to prevent the disease. The main objective is to help the farmers to prevent crops from diseases. By this proposed system, the farmers will be able to save their crops from diseases, and also this system will reduce the workload of farmers. It will also help the country to fulfill the food requirements by increasing yield. The outcomes of our project are reduced risk of losing harvest by early and correct precautions. Farmers will be able to reduce their workload by taking correct and early precautions. The farmers can increase their yield, produce a more convenient way to monitor the plants. This system will increase our country's economy. We will design a image classifier using CNN module and use camera to capture the image of crops. Then the Raspberry Pi controls the camera and store data in a storage. The designed image classifier through CNN will classify the image of crops. After classification, the user will get a photographs of disease affected crops. After identification, our system will predict a correct and accurate solution to that detected disease.
Now Talha will continue.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Talha Akram. Moving on towards work done in first half of 7th semester, data collection. As data collection is the major requirement of project like our the artificial intelligence based deep learning and machine learning project. Hereby the datasets had been taken from the website kaggle.com in which datasets of different types of crop with the classification on their health structured and damaged and disease structured images. Moving on, literature analysis and defined technologies involved in our project. The hardware, the technologies which are involved in our project, the hardware, it can be done by Jetson TK1, Raspberry Pi, and Android C2. Due to sake of our project, Raspberry Pi is more than capable enough to handle the task and is cheapest among them and is easy to implement. Other hardware devices are Raspberry Pi, camera, and our PC in which Linux will be implemented. And software part is Python, Raspbian operating system, and database hosted on cloud for ANN. Review of other existing systems. The FY project of Ku Wenjian, student of Tengku Abdurrahman University, Malaysia. He uses K-means clustering algorithm with Canon to run this type of project. Another report is of student of Catholic Kavandang University, which is in Korea. They use MATLAB with CNN and parallel. The last is the prototype model. It is the model that performs the analysis phase, design phase, and implementation phase concurrently, also with user feedbacks. All these phases performed repeatedly until the final system is completed. It also allows any changes or modification to be made which reduce chances of failure. That's all from me. For further, Hassan will continue.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Ali. Now moving forward, software learning and implementation. The main software that we are using is Python. Python language is an object-oriented high-level programming. Python is widely used in embedded systems due to its writability, error detection, and readability. After the installation of Anaconda version of Python, different type of libraries were imported in the software. In short, we developed a TensorFlow environment in this software. Then using this environment, we started our work on Jupyter Notebook used for coding. Now, image classification with CNN. First of all, we design an image classifier through CNN model. The image classifier will be trained using TensorFlow environment. There are two main subnets of CNN: Future Learning Net and Classification Net. The Future Learning Net consists of convolution layers and pooling layers. Classification is responsible for classifying the image to their respective categories based on features that future learning part have created from image. This consists of latent layers and hidden layers. There are some parameters that are used in CNN model that are pool size, kernel size, filters, ReLU, optimizer, laws, matrices, path sizes, etc. Now, this is the architecture for CNN model. Let's have a look on a demo of our work that we have already done. In the first cell, we import some necessary libraries. Then in the next two cells, we are loading data, that is training data and testing data from the data set using its part. In the next cell, we design a model of CNN for image classification and then compile it. Here is its result. Here is the graph of training and validation. Now Shoaib will continue.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Shoaib. Now moving toward the next slide. Here is the Gantt chart of our project. Here is all the scenario that we are following. We have already done some of our tasks. Now we reach at step 5, that is learning software and implementation. We had reached by collecting data and by reaching about the existing system similar to our project. We have already designed a software mode of an ANN used to classify the image. After completion of this step, we will design a hardware architecture using Raspberry Pi and Pi camera and then implement the design model on that hardware. After implementation, we will train the image classifier and then check our system performance, and then we will decide if that any change required or not. Now moving toward the next slide. Here is the work distribution among the group members, also mentioned to our future projects plans. By following that, we will inshallah complete our project. Now moving toward the next slide. Here we clearly mention our project progress. We are at the software learning level and implementation part. This part is completely more than half, but have to choose a best CNN model for image classifier for better accuracy. After completion, we will further to the next step. Thank you.